These swimming snowman cookies are the latest project in my cookie art club. Here's a preview of the tutorial. I'm cutting the cookies from a chilled sheet of cookie dough. I used my confetti cookie recipe for this project. I'm filling in the raft with white fluid consistency icing and a decorating tip too. I'm using my scribe tool to help shape the icing. While the white icing is still wet, I'm piping stripes with red flood consistency icing and a decorating tip 1. I'm dragging my scribe tool through the icing on the inside and the outside of the raft to help curve the stripes. Now these can be set aside to dry. I'll slide my snowman template underneath a piece of wax paper. I'm filling in the snowman with white flood consistency icing and a decorating tip 2. I'm using the scribe tool to help shape the icing. I'm filling in the swimsuit with teal flood consistency icing and a decorating tip 2. While the teal icing is still wet, I'm piping groups of 5 dots with white flood consistency icing and a tip 1. I'm dragging my scribe tool through the dots to turn them into flowers. Let the icing dry for about 30 minutes and then pipe sunglasses with black medium consistency icing and a tip 1. This icing holds a soft peak. And then you can use the white flood consistency icing to pipe reflections. I'm using the black icing to pipe a mouth and buttons. I'm adding a carrot nose with orange stiff consistency icing and a tip 2. And now you can set everything aside to dry overnight. Carefully remove the royal icing transfers from the wax paper and set them aside. If you enjoyed this preview and you'd like to see the full tutorial, hit the join button to become a member. You'll get access to my recipes, over 160 exclusive ad-free cookie decorating tutorials, and I'm adding more all the time. You'll also get personalized cookie decorating advice when you need it. See you in the Cookie Art Club!